welcome back to class. This is the concluding part as regards the year 1982 JAMB of English. So as our custom is, I want you to listen attentively, let your mind be engaged, let your heart be what visit in order to receive information, idea, and strategy for superior performance in your future examination, and also in your academic performance, in academic pursuit in life. Therefore, we'll be answering questions from different angles entirely from this kind of this segment, this session rather. So we'll be talking about the opposite word in meaning. So the instruction says choose the word which is opposite in meaning to the underlying word in each sentence. So your ability to pay attention to details, to pay attention to what instruction will help you best as a candidate in any examination or setting. But if you don't pay attention to what the instruction, you may be penalized by the examiner. You won't be there when they are matching your scripts. That's how it's good for you to pay attention. Your ability to pay attention to details, to the instruction given to you, make it easier for you to answer the question in each session correctly, based on the guideline you have been given. Like this one, we'll be tackling question from this palace talking about opposite word, and antonyms word. Right? So the first question in this segment says, why most of our recently elected legislators are living in a life of affluence and ostentation? The vast majority of all those who elected them into office are unhappy. Why are they not happy? They are unhappy because they are living in a life that is not encouraging, and their expectation from those who are that they voted to be in power, their expectation from them has been cut short. Their standard of living is not improved. Their cost of living is on a high basis, on a daily basis. So they see life has been turned against them in all ramification. That's why they are not happy. So the option A says influence. Option B says pleasure. Option C poverty. Option D happiness. Option D consequence. Now you don't have to mind yourself about all these options. You have to mind the only word, the underlying word, based on the instruction. Say your word can be fast. How flexible mean to the word to be rich. When you are rich, you live wealthy now, right? You'll be live wealthy. You'll be happy. You'll be always excited, always enthusiastic, always on the go. So the opposite of affluence can be traced to lack, not having anything. So poverty, the opposite of affluence. Affluence means having in abundance. Anything you want, you just order it and you get it. Affluence. Life of having it all in all. Just name it, you get it. Question number next time, if you understand that. And the next question here says, it is generally believed that ministers are not loved by many. I repeat the question again. It says, it is generally believed that ministers are not loved by many. Option A, spendthrifts. Option D, spenders. Option D, holders. Option D, savers. Option D, thieves. Others. Thieves. Now when I talk about minister, here I mean a stingy person. A niggard. A niggard, a person that I find it difficult that is not generous. Too mean. I get it. Stingy to the highest order, like National Theatre that never open hands. So the opposite of minister can be to who is spendthrift, a person who to spend freely, who give others, who is generous. I get it. An open-minded person, an open-handed person who give freely with excitement. A liberal man. Question number next. You understand that? And the next question is, my brother primary school foundation was solid, and this affected is secondary education. Option A sound, option B solid, option D shaking, option D weak, option D unvented. When is something solid as something strong, and the opposite of something means something vulnerable. Vulnerable. Something is vulnerable is known as something that is very weak. Which means option D is our best answer. Question number next. You understand that? Don't forget we're seeing as a question under Anthony's talking about what opposite in meaning. And the next question here is going to be the last. It says, Politicians and what and holders of political appointments are what or political offices are what are generally assumed to be cunning. When they be cunning, they are too decisive. They are not man of their word. They are not trustworthy. They are not the man of word of integrity. They are not honest. Option A, kind. Option B, straightforward. Option C, generous. Option D, even handed. Option E, sly. Cunning is the person that deceives a lot. I get it. A person that is not not a man of what of his words, that lies a lot. So the opposite of it can be me what a straightforward person. The opposite of people that lie, a man of word that lack integrity can be what a straightforward person. A straightforward an honest person, a reality person. So option B is a person. The just over we have come to the end of this segment. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your excellent. Thank you for your cooperation. I wish you nothing but success to you for the nation. Goodbye and good luck. See you in the next class.